Okay, this is video 5 on recreating an old site in XsitePro. Now I sent you this file here, the text file, and this basically is the same thing as what's seen on the sitemap page for this site. Okay. The difference is that as I rebuild a page or recreate a page in XsitePro, I put a little equal sign. So you can see the home page is here, and I've rebuilt it in here. So I put the little equal sign. The sitemap happens automatically. You don't have to do anything with that. Don't even touch it. The how to buy a new car introduction page is here. Okay. And then you can see that these pages so far have been rebuilt. These correspond to these. And I put the equal sign. Now if you see two equal signs like this, that just means that these two pages, for example, there are two equal signs. That means they appear in two places on the website as far as introductory pages. You can see them here. I'm not sure why oh yeah, okay. And if they appear 3 times, if I have a link on these introduction type pages, let's say I had one that appeared 3 times and put 3 equal signs. I don't know if I have that. I think the most is 2, but I don't know. I don't remember. So that's it. And so like I say, every time you create a new page, like for instance, I just created this buy used cars introduction page, and that's this one here, and I already added the equal sign. See? So then you'll just change that each time. Now here's the other thing. Now let's say I want to add the next page in the how to buy a used car category. This is how to buy a used car without getting screwed. So again, we go here. Now I want this page here to appear under this page, not this page or whatever. I want it to appear under this page. So I highlight this category and I just click add page, and dang, my typing's not very good. And we don't want this to show in the menu bar. Well, yeah, actually we do. We do not want it to show in the main panel footer because it's kind of an internal page within this category. And then we hit create. And again, you can see how the default is it'll make the title like the same as that. So we go back here and we hit view, source again, and description. That's where we want to get this. Oops. Copy, paste, just like we did before. Oops, I made that again.